to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and today I will provide you comparison of my GoPro Hero 9 and Canon M50 Mark II. Which one is good and which one is a bad, so we will see detailed demonstration outside video recording, so we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So let's start as a demonstration. See here the DSLR, the manual mode, and the GoPro Hero 9, the comparison. You can see little bit sunny weather is here, the outside the Denmark. Look at this here. Now is everything is shadow, so under the shadow DSLR clarity is quite good compared to the GoPro, but you can see here stabilization is a different quite definitely. Now totally sunny. See the beautiful scenic beauty.
सही है रे,
हाँ,
सही था.
different frame comes here in GoPro and Canon M50 Mark II. For the like right now I'm in shadow and outside is the sunny. You can consider here one GoPro frame, GoPro Hero 9 frame, and one is a Canon M50 Mark II. Now the opposite side of sun, so you can see which frame is good and which frame is bad. Now I am going to exactly opposite side of the sun. इधर ले ले दोनों भी ऐसा घुमा, वो भी घुमा. So now sun is this direction and I am exactly in opposite side of the sun. So which frame is good? Now little bit dark of my frame, I think so, and you can see the voice of each devices. I'm not using any kind of microphone or mic. If you really like the comparison related video, so please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and hit the bell icon. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.